my Frontier about 4 years ago, I didn't have an intention to make it a off-road or 4x4 overland kind of vehicle. I had the motorcycles for that kind of stuff, but I knew for sure I didn't want to have a topper or a cap on it. But I did need a cover of some sort, so I decided on a roll-top tonneau cover. But when the motorcycles went away, I knew I wanted to find a quality bed rack system that I could use with my existing Access roll-top tonneau cover. So that brought me to the Billie Bars. I really like them, and they're a great way to haul some accessories and my recovery gear. And I wanted to put something on these bars. And I know I didn't want to do a rooftop tent, not at this time anyway, and I don't really see me doing one in the near future. So I started to shop around for some rooftop baskets, and I found one from Rhino that I really liked, but then I found something different. I found a super good deal on this. This is a Rhino Pioneer Platform. It was a clearance model, and it was about 1/3 the price of it is normally new, and about half the price of the Rhino basket that I liked. However, there was one slight issue. It didn't come with any mounting gear, so I was going to have to come up with a way to mount it to the Billie Bars. The other decision I had to make about the Pioneer rack is which way do I want it sitting on the Billie Bars. So I figured the best way I was going to do this is to treat the platform like it's the base of a rooftop tent. So what I needed was some unistrut insert nuts that slip into the channels. I got 3/8 2.5 inch long bolts and some lock washers. And then I picked up some flat steel that was pre-drilled, and then I cut it to fit just underneath the Billie Bars, and it was all going to bolt together underneath. Well, alright, I've got it installed. I've got 4 mounting points underneath, and I could go up to 6 if I need to. I'm going to run it with 4 and see if I have any rattles or anything weird like that. But I think I'm good to go. Well, that pretty much does it for the install. I've got some accessories that I picked up off of a Facebook page that'll hold my high lift jack and my shovel and axe when I get those items. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and if you want to check out more back roads and cool places to explore, subscribe. I got lots of videos on my channel and more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see all you guys down the road.